755411 has just departed, working the 0941 service to Ipswich. Off it goes. Right, we've got the 1009 service to Felixstowe, now about to arrive into platform 2. This service is being worked by 755326. Five 5326 is continuing its journey to Felixstowe. Very rapidly accelerating away. The train now approaching platform 2 is intermodal service 4 Lima 43 from Whitmore Yard to Felixstowe North Terminal. The locomotive on the front is 66754. Nice. Looks like there's hardly any containers on it at all. Completely empty. Right, got the 1041 service to Ipswich, now arriving to platform 1. Seven 555326 is continuing its journey to Ipswich. Right, now coming through platform 1 is intermodal service 4 Mike 29 from Felixstowe North Terminal to Birch Coppice Terminal. Locomotive on the front is 66735. This one has some containers on it. Right, 66719 is passing through platform 1 with an intermodal in tow. Nice. it's come to a stop to wait for the single line section ahead to clear. Right, the intermodal train, which is currently waiting in platform 1, is either going to Hams Hall Terminal or Trafford Park Euro Terminal. One of the two. Right, got a crossover here. It's 11:09 service to Felixstowe. It's departed out platform 2, passing the intermodal train, waiting in platform 1. Awesome. Right, we got 66781, which is coming to a stop in platform 2, hauling an intermodal, heading to the Port of Felixstowe. Nice. 2 intermodals in the station. Right, 66413 is passing through platform 1, hauling intermodal service for Mike 87 from Felixstowe North Terminal to Ditton Terminal. And he's certainly not hanging around either. .11:41 service to Ipswich is now departing from platform 1 in a heavy snow shower. Right, now coming through platform 1 is 66788 locomotion 15, hauling its intermodal through the station. Nice unexpected bonus, this one. Right, at the same time, heading out of platform 2 is intermodal service 4 Romeo 02 from Colchester Goods Loop to Felixstowe North Terminal. Another awesome crossover. Right, currently standing in platform 1 is intermodal service 4 Echo 21, which is en route from Felixstowe South Terminal to Tinsley Yard. I've got the 1209 service to Felixstowe, now arriving to platform 2.